Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview of this 2019 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. The Huracan Evo is an attempt by Lamborghini to create a mid-ground between the original Huracan and the lightweight, higher downforce Performante. The Evo comes with what's essentially the same engine as the Performante, a 631 brake horsepower and 600 Nm naturally aspirated V10. Despite being heavier than the Performante and producing less downforce, this results in very similar performance figures, a 0 to 62 mph time of 2.9 seconds and a top speed of over 202 mph. The Evo doesn't come with ALA active aero technology like the Performante, but there are new active flaps that help to send air under and over the car, and a new ducktail spoiler that results in up to 5 times more downforce than the original Huracan. Lamborghini have also developed a new integrated brain for the Evo, called Lamborghini Integrated Vehicle Dynamics, or LDVI. This new system integrates the control and deployment of the car's suspension system, dynamic steering, four-wheel steering and torque vectoring systems to offer a more predictable, seamless and reassuring dynamic driving experience. However, the Evo is said to still be far more of a driver's car than the original Huracan, responding better and allowing more feedback and control from the driver. Now looking at these changes individually, we can start with the new wheel design, these 20-inch Acer diamond-cut alloys that were actually on display on an Evo Coupe. The new front splitter features these new Y-shapes on either side, in addition to the new central vent that I mentioned earlier. Moving along laterally, the small air intakes at the rear of the side skirts have new lateral wings and gloss black outer rims. Moving up, the material roof can be opened and stowed under the front panel here in just 17 seconds. The rear glass area behind this still takes the same vented form as the original Huracan. Moving back, we come to the floating rear ducktail spoiler that allows air to pass through it to then hit the secondary spoiler behind it for increased rear downforce. The rear itself takes inspiration from the Performante, with its dual mid-located exhaust outlets and structure around these, but now we find an even more aggressive vented diffuser below. Moving inside, we find a very similar interior to before, but now with what Lamborghini call their Human-Machine Interface, or HMI. This new 8.4-inch screen can be used to adjust all the usual settings such as car, navigation, media and phone connectivity. On either side of this, we also find new leather upholstered bucket seats that will hopefully provide a more comfortable alternative to the previous options. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of this 2019 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.